From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
A variable p varies inversely as the square of q. If p is 5 when q is 6, find q when p is 1.8. So let's take it bit by bit. A variable p varies inversely as the square of q. Inversely as the square of q. So we can introduce the constant of proportionality. So p will be k over q squared. We are told that p is 5 and q is 6 squared. So our k will be 5 times 6 squared is 36. And 5 times 36. 5 times 30 is 150. 5 times 6 is 30. So k is 180. So we are asked to look for q. P equals 180 over q squared when p is 1.8. So q squared will be 180 over 1.8. And so if I multiply numerator and denominator by 10, this will shift this point. So this can be, by removing this point, I add 0 here. So q squared will be 18 into 1800 is 100. Take square root of both sides. Q is square root of 100, which is 10. And that's B.